What is up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. Sorry if I look crazy. I feel like I say this in all of my videos, but it's literally about 10:30 p.m. and I just got back from work. I'm tired. I wanted to go ahead and open my Walmart beauty box, and this box comes every quarter and it is only $5. So technically you just pay for shipping. A lot of the previous boxes, we've gotten in a lot of samples, just like stuff that you could technically get for free, and not everybody is very pleased with this box. So I just kept it. I kept going just to see if like this box would be any different, to see if maybe they've improved it or not. So let's go ahead and see what's inside it, and we will be the judge of that. So I'm curious to see what's in this box. So here it is. It's just a plain white box. It has the logo for Walmart on the back, Walmart Beauty. And let's go ahead and open it up. So when you open it up, it doesn't smell like, I feel like last season's box was really weird. It kind of had like a weird smell, and the box felt kind of weird too. So this box seems a little bit better. Let's see what's inside. So the first thing I see in here, it's actually a whole size product. Don't know what this is. I'll show it to you guys up close. The cap fell off, so it's in here. I've never heard of Salon Perfect. Maybe it's a Walmart brand. It's called Ready Set Go Brow Kit. So it is a brow kit. It says custom blend 3 brow shades, 1 illuminating highlighter. This is a brow grooming gel, so I'm assuming just to get everything in place. That's why it's kind of waxy. Oh, let me. Oh, there's also a little brush in here. So there you get a little brush for to do your eyebrows with. The brush has the brush there and then a spoolie at the end of it. So that's what it looks like. So here is the brow defining palette. So this is Salon Perfect brow defining palette. And this, I don't know what shade this is. It just seems like maybe it's one shade. I don't know. It also has a tiny brush inside. So it looks more like even like an eyeshadow. Like you can probably use these for eyeshadows because it's really dark. The pigment is pretty nice. Then you get even darker, and then you get like a blonde shadow thing, and then you get, maybe this is the highlighter to highlight underneath. It's kind of, I don't know, it's kind of chalky, the highlighter, but everything else seems pretty cool. This might work really well on my eyebrows. I mean, I've used the Rimmel one, the Rimmel eyebrow gel before. Right now I'm using the Zoella palette, and I'm using the brown shade in there for eyebrows. But looking forward to this. So the Salon Perfect Defining Kit is $8.07 at Walmart. So you definitely, and apparently right now it is out of stock. So you definitely get your $5 worth of product right here. Let's keep looking. So I'm happy with that. I will give that a try. The swatching was decent, so we'll see how it works on the eyebrows. The next thing in here is a sample size Hello Anti-Plaque Whitening Fluoride Free Toothpaste, natural peppermint with tea tree and coconut oil. I feel like we got this in our last box. Correct me if I'm wrong, but I feel like we definitely got this in our last box. It's just a little sample of toothpaste. I could do without, honestly. And then you get the some information about it, about the toothpaste on there. This is just, you can enter to win a $100 gift card if you do the survey. Okay, next thing in here is another kind of like sample of Palmer's coconut oil formula. So this is just body oil. I mean, that's pretty cool, but you get a little bit in here, so it's just one of those samples that you can literally get for free anywhere. Next thing in here is actually this is interesting, dry shampoo scent stick rose. So this is a scalp stick. Oh, that sounds interesting. Dry shampoo stick formulated with rose extracts, refresh your scalp and oily roots on the go in seconds. Shake packet 5 to 10 times before opening and using. So shake packet 5 to 10 times. What is it? What is it? Like, should I open it to look at it, or is it gonna mess it up? Like, is it all in here? I don't know. I'm gonna probably see how it works later on because I don't want to open it and then mess it up. But it says to shake it 5 to 10 times before opening and using. So I'm assuming it's this little guy. And then you section and swipe swab tip to scalp and roots with extra attention to like oily areas. And then you massage or run fingers or brush through hair and style as usual. So technically the same thing as just using a dry shampoo, except it's like a swab and you just kind of put it all over. I'm interested in that. That's pretty cool. Never heard of this before, so interesting, right? All right, next thing in here is Purely Inspired Collagen Peptides, grass-fed and pasture raised. Vitality blend with biotin. So this is something to eat. What is this? Yeah, 18 amino acids. We've never gotten a food item before. 18 grams of protein, 20 grams of collagen peptides, collagen types 1 and 3, easy to digest. So this is a supplement. It says unflavored dietary supplement, gluten-free, dairy-free, no sugar added, non-GMO, keto certified, and paleo certified. So what do you do with this? It says mix 1 serving, 1 pouch, so this, with 8 ounces of water or a beverage of choice and take once daily. I guess you can put it in like a smoothie or a drink or anything like that. It's just literally powder, and it's got a bunch of different vitamins and things for your body. Then we got a purifying black charcoal mask, which I feel like they send this every single time. Like, I have gotten this mask so many times before, it's not even funny. I like it, but let's branch out a little bit, right? Like, we can't be getting the same thing all the time. I like this mask. I will use it. Nothing new. And then the last thing in here is a little Walmart pouch. So it's like a linen type of pouch, and with pink little Walmart, the pink Walmart logo on it, and a pink zipper. Cute little pouch. We can put all of our stuff in here. That is everything in this Walmart beauty box. I think this is the summer box, pretty sure. And there's nothing that tells you about the products. Just seems like not a lot of effort went into this box. As always, I mean, it's only $5, so what do you expect? You know, I'm definitely excited to try the brow kit because I've never heard of this brand before, and it doesn't seem too horrible. I was intrigued by this little scalp stick, so we'll see how this will work out, and if it smells like roses, why not? I have never gotten a dietary supplement before in a Walmart box, so I might or I might not try this. I don't know. I don't really take these with my drinks, so I'll give it a shot. And then the rest of them, of course, the mask we've had before. I like it. It's just nothing new. And then we had this little sample, and then the toothpaste in there, and then the little pouch. So not too bad for $5. Not anything too exciting. I'm not terribly mad at this quarters box, but again, it's not like my favorite box to look forward to. Let me know if you guys are still subscribed to this box, what you think about it, if you enjoy it. If not, then let me know why you don't like it. And yeah, thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see y'all in my next video. Bye.